Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Dennis Dart. I have a little helper today. Say hello, Imogen. Say hello. Hello, yeah. So Sean has been in the meantime, he's tightened up a few pipes at the back and he said there's still a leak. Now, the only leak I can see is coming from the pump, but that could have been splashback. But I can't see any leaks at all now. All the dampness of it. It's still playing up, so I'm more leaning to an injector problem. You know, we've got we've got maybe one injector that doesn't work properly. Because that's what I'm leaning to. Because at the moment, she's getting heavy. At the moment, you can see, we're not producing any exhaust smoke. Really, that wasn't there before we started this. So, it's difficult to see. I think it's done. I think the problem is an injector. So we're going to have to, I think, get a set of injectors for it. Not too sure. But for those that don't know, we do have a crowdfunder, don't we, Imogen? Don't we? Yeah. We have a crowdfunder, and that is to help do an overhaul on the engine, or what we can. So if we can't afford the full cost, because we've been quoted like £6 grand, we're going to be doing stuff like brand new fuel lines and what have you, and what we can do. We've got a company ringing us back today as I'm filming this, who's giving a quote for the cylinders to be redone. And then that should help a lot as well. That'll give us good compression. But we'll just have to wait and see for that. Won't we? Won't we, Imogen? Yeah. Going to? You're not a happy bunny today, are you? Hey. Just wanting some cuddles. Hey, no, you can't climb down. Imogen, what's this? Woo! No, you're not buying it, are you? You're not a happy bunny today. She's not an happy bunny today. I think we'll be going home. I think she's maybe not too well. She's very cuddly. She's not normal cuddly. But, anyway, I think I've cracked it. Now, Sean said there's leaks down here. I can't see it now. So I think they've all been taken care of. However, here, that one is bubbling. That one was bubbling. That one is right. So I think it's a set of new injectors, I think. But at least the heads and the bolts. And that should fix the problem, because that'll seal that up properly. I think that's where all our air is getting in. Because injector 5 it's quite bad. Injector 4 is not too bad. So I think that's where the leak is. So I think we're going home anyway. I don't think she's too happy. I'll just let it idle up to some temperature, and then I'm going to pack up and go home, I think. She's not happy. No. I've even tried a bot and she's just not having it. Normally she's happy with Larry here, but not today. Right guys, as little Imogen is not very happy, I'm going to cut this video short. It's only a short one today. I only came to really find out, you know, where these leaks are and if I could fix it. The idea was originally to take all the pipes off and start again. But as we don't seem to be leaking anything but oil, which is what all that is there. This original first blob here was the fuel leak, but as you see it's bone dry still, so we've not added to it, so I don't think it's now leaking. I think it's all coming on the injector side and then being burnt off on the exhaust manifold. That's what I think is going on now. So without further ado, I will keep you posted. But do follow us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. We have memberships available for Patreon if you want to help see this project. come to light. And obviously we have the crowdfunding, which is down below. You can also find links on the website, on all the social media, everything. Even just £1, it all helps us reach our goal of about £1,500, which with £1,500 we'll see that engine running beautifully, and whatever's left over will be used to finish off other parts of the vehicle. As you can see, we have a lot to do, but anything left over will be helped with that, and hopefully this year we'll be able to get it to actually some rallies, because we're confident in the engine, we're confident in the cooling system, we're confident in it. It's just working out these little tweaks for MLT now, but it needs a wash, and I reckon then once we've just sorted out these injectors now, I reckon we'll be taking it for MLT, and then we'll be out on the road and going to shows in it. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.
You can now find us on Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, Twitter and Instagram. Hashtag Mancbuses. Find us at mancbuses.com. Mancbuses, we're sorting scrap.